Good morning, Pure Structure Traders. Today is June 4th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels on S&P 500. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys. And then I'll be going over gold and also oil for you guys. For those who are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. With that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on S&P 500 for you guys. Again, and then Wendy will go over the minor levels for you guys. So for S&P, I do got a main level again sitting at 42.2950 as resistance. A little bit of a closer level for me is going to be right around these 42.14s as resistance, and then below that for support, right around these 41.97s as support. Underneath 41.97, I do have another level of 41.8125, and then below that 41.6750 as support as well. So a couple of those areas have been touched already, and we kind of moved up from there. So we'll see what happens at some of my main levels. But with that said, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy so she can go over some of her minor levels there.
Good morning. Yeah, market is bullish. So we are definitely looking to trade our support areas and also our little micro peaks. I have four of them, but they've already been used. So where are they starting below? I've got one at 41.94. It was used this morning. Second one is 41.99. Didn't come down to it to the tick, but it doesn't have to. As long as it stays above it, somewhat close to it, you can see it did, and it popped up for some more bullish action. Next one, 42.0225, used it. And the next one, 42.06, used it. And the highest one is 42.0925. I say that because it was resistance back on the 27th. And that's why the market's been struggling for the last 40 minutes to pop above it. But it's marked, and I will trade it if the market continues to pop up with purpose and then come back down and use it as support. So that's really it. I just have all those. Most of them have been used, looking for the 42.09 to 25 to come down and use as support. Otherwise, we keep trading our main levels, look out for our micro levels. No matter what, we're going to make some money. That's all I have, Dave. So what's going on with gold and oil today?
So, all right. So gold do have a couple levels. Prior level of support 1890.9 acting as resistance right now. First area that we're looking to see if we struggle to get through. If we do, again, this is a good opportunity to look for a short. If you want to stay and remain bullish, couple areas. One of the main areas is going to be somewhere down around these 1875s. You can see we already held that as support. Um, you can look for maybe a little bit of a closer area, 1884.1, if you want to try to use that area. But 75, 73.1, then all the way below that, 1855.3. Above 1890.9, there is another level, 1894.2 as resistance, and then above that 1899, and then 1903.3. So we did fall off quite a bit yesterday in yesterday's session, and then we kind of climb. We're gradually climbing back up. So do want to see if the market breaks through these 1890.9s, heading up to those 94s, then 99, and then 1903.3. But again, got to get here and get through this level first, and then see what happens after that. For let's go ahead and look at oil. Actually, for oil, we are up to our measured move here, 69.68. So we may find some resistance here and then try to pull down from this area. I really want to see if the market's going to get back either here, 69.37, somewhere around these 69.25s, or below that is going to be somewhere around 68.84. So those are the first couple areas we could catch some support. But right now we are heading against some resistance, a wall of resistance. So I want to see if we actually hold this and pull back down on oil. Um, I think more of my main level for support is going to be right around these 68.84s. So I'll probably wait for the market to see if we can get back down there first and then catch some support from there to head back up. If not, then 68.28 is going to be my next level. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and get into this trading for S&P 500 gold and also oil.